Hi everyone, I'm Purva from Healthy Flavors. Today I'm going to demonstrate yogasanas for concentration. So first asana is Ushtrasan, which is also known as Camel pose. How does it help us? It improves our focus and balancing and helps in increasing concentration. Second pose is Nataraj Lord of Dance pose. It improves our posture and balance, and thus it is good for improving concentration. Third pose is tree pose Vrikshasan. It brings balance to our body and equilibrium to our mind, and thus helps in improving concentration. Yoga for concentration. Sit in Vajrasan. Come on your knees. One arm at the back, try to touch the heels or catch hold of heels with both the arms. Press your back forward. Look back. Slowly come up and release. Come in Vajrasan. Nataraj. Second pose. Catch hold of one big toe, another arm forward. Try to take that leg at the back up and release. Same with another leg. Catch hold of the big toe, arm forward, go up, up, up and release. Third pose, tree pose, Vrikshasan. Put one foot on another thigh, arms up over your head, stretch up, interlock your fingers, concentrate on one point, keep on breathing and release. Same with another leg, go up, stretch up, concentrate on one point and release, relax.